Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled at the edge of a vast jungle, there lived a small boy named Oliver. Oliver was known for his curious nature and adventurous spirit. He spent most of his days exploring the lush greenery that surrounded his home, always in search of new wonders and mysteries to. One day, while wandering deep into the heart of the jungle, Oliver stumbled upon a clearing where he spotted a magnificent golden hen. Its feathers shimmered in the sunlight, and Oliver couldn't believe his eyes. He cautiously approached the hen, marveling at its beauty. "Hello there, little one," Oliver said softly, extending his hand toward the hen. To his surprise, the hen didn't flinch or run away. Instead, it looked at him with intelligent eyes, as if understanding every word he spoke. "You're a special one, aren't you?" Oliver chuckled, feeling a sense of excitement building within him. He knew he had discovered something truly extraordinary. Without hesitation, Oliver decided to take the golden hen back to his village. He carefully cradled it in his arms, feeling its warmth against his chest. As he journeyed home, Oliver couldn't shake the feeling that his life was about to change in ways he never imagined. Upon returning to the village, Oliver showed the golden hen to his family and friends. They were amazed by its beauty and rarity, and soon, word of Oliver's discovery spread throughout the entire village. However, Oliver soon realized that his newfound treasure had attracted the attention of some less than friendly characters. A group of greedy villagers approached Oliver, demanding that he hand over the golden hen to them. "You have no right to keep such a valuable treasure for yourself," one of them sneered, reaching out to snatch the hen from Oliver's grasp. But Oliver refused to back down. He knew that the golden hen was not just a mere possession, it was a friend, a companion, and a symbol of his courage and determination. Determined to protect his precious hen, Oliver made a bold decision. He announced to the villagers that he would embark on a journey into the depths of the jungle, where he believed there were more golden treasures waiting to be discovered. With the golden hen perched on his shoulder, Oliver set out on his adventure, leaving behind the safety and comfort of his village. The jungle was vast and teeming with life, but Oliver pressed on, fueled by his unwavering determination and sense of purpose. Along the way, Oliver encountered many challenges and obstacles. He faced fierce animals, treacherous terrain, and powerful storms. But through it all, he remained steadfast in his quest, never losing sight of his ultimate goal. As he journeyed deeper into the jungle, Oliver began to realize that the true treasure he sought was not gold or riches, but the lessons he learned along the way. He discovered the importance of courage, perseverance, and kindness, and he forged deep bonds with the creatures of the jungle who helped him on his journey. Finally, after many days of travel, Oliver arrived at the heart of the jungle, where he found a hidden paradise filled with golden treasures of every kind. But instead of claiming them for himself, Oliver decided to share his discovery with the world, believing that true wealth was meant to be enjoyed by all. And so, Oliver returned to his village not as a boy with a golden hen, but as a hero with a heart full of wisdom and a spirit of adventure. The villagers greeted him with open arms, knowing that he had embarked on a journey that would change their lives forever. From that day on, Oliver's village prospered like never before, thanks to the golden treasures he had discovered and the lessons he had learned along the way. And though he may have left the jungle behind, Oliver would always carry with him the memories of his epic adventure and the friends he had made along the way. For Oliver had discovered that true treasure lies not in gold or riches, but in the courage to follow your dreams and the kindness to share your blessings with others. And that, dear friends, is the greatest adventure of all.